The difference between something abstract, like an idea, and a thing is that a thing has mass, it has weight, it has gravitational pull, and it will respond to other gravitational forces. I think the only exception to that is light. Light is a particle of energy moving at the fastest speed possible in our universe, but it doesn't have mass. Nevertheless, that energy that light is carrying, when it hits an object, it can impact it. The energy that light is carrying can be transferred to that object, and that object will then respond. This is a radiometer. The original name given to it by its inventor was a light mill, as in windmill. You can see it looks like a light bulb, and indeed it has similar characteristics to a light bulb. This is a partial vacuum. There has to be a little bit of air inside for it to work. You can see there's a needle, and on top of a glass cup rest on top of that needle, and to that glass cup 4 blades are attached to it, like a fan. There's white on one side and black on the other. This is to decrease the friction as much as possible and allow this to move. At the moment, there isn't enough ambient light to make the mill turn. See what happens when the light is turned on. Magically, it comes to life and begins to spin. If the light is increased, so will the speed of the fan's rotation. It took its inventor, Sir William Crookes, and his colleagues 6 years to discern what was happening here. Originally, they believed that the light's weight and the force of impact made the fan move, as if it were being blown in the wind. It was proof of an unknown principle. Actually, it's the light's rays being converted into heat. It's thermal energy that powers the mill. Because the blades are white on one side and black on the other, the reaction only occurs in one direction. The white reflects the light away, while the dark side absorbs it, heats up, and expands the air against it. This is why there needs to be some atmosphere inside the tube. In a complete vacuum, there would be nothing for the heat to react with. So Crookes updated the name from light mill to heat engine. When we look at someone, a street or a mountain, we're not looking at that person or those occasions. What we're seeing is the light that's reflecting off of them. Trillions times trillions of lights, protons, radiating and bouncing all around at 186,000 miles per second. The invention of the radiometer clearly demonstrated that light had energy, but I still find light mystifying. E equals mc squared is enigmatic to me. But what I can comprehend is that an empty shoebox weighs less than one that's filled with light.